Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to write subscript and superscript in Excel. So guys, if you want to write subscript and superscripts in Excel, so very easy. Firstly, tab any letter. After selected to superscript. So firstly select it. After click on home, click on this icon, and if you want to superscript, so check this box. After click on OK. That is. And if you want to subscript, so firstly selected. After click on home, click this option, click on check this box subscript. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to subscript and superscript in Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.